Months ago, people were seriously asking if Fitbit was quietly disappearing. Then Google did something unexpected. Instead of chasing bigger smartwatches, it launched the minimalist Fitbit Air. Suddenly, the conversation changed. And now, the rumored Fitbit Charge 7 feels less like wishful thinking and more like Fitbit's second chance. The most important thing about the Fitbit Charge 7 isn't the hardware, it's the timing. Because for the last 2 years, Fitbit fans have been stuck in uncertainty. Google shut down parts of the old Fitbit ecosystem, merged services into Google Health, pushed the Pixel Watch harder, and slowed hardware releases enough that many users genuinely believed the brand was fading away. Reddit discussions became filled with frustration, skepticism, and nostalgia for older Fitbit devices that simply worked. Then came the surprise, Fitbit Air, and honestly, that product changes the entire mood around Fitbit's future. Instead of trying to outmuscle Apple Watches or premium Garmin devices, Google suddenly leaned back into simplicity. A lightweight tracker, no display, long battery life, minimal distractions, affordable pricing. That decision quietly revealed something huge. Google still sees value in dedicated fitness wearables outside the Pixel Watch ecosystem, which is exactly why Charge 7 now feels believable again. The Charge series was always the middle ground, more capable than basic trackers, but less overwhelming than a smartwatch. And if rumors are accurate, Google may finally be preparing the upgrade users actually wanted instead of forcing smartwatch features everywhere. Community expectations are surprisingly consistent right now. People want a brighter display that's easier to read outdoors, better GPS accuracy for runners and cyclists, faster performance, USB-C charging, and maybe most importantly, the return of the altimeter for floor tracking. That last one sounds small until you realize how often longtime Fitbit users still complain about its removal from recent devices. But there's a deeper industry shift happening underneath all this. Wearables are splitting into two directions. One side is becoming ultra-premium health analytics with subscriptions and AI coaching. The other side is becoming quieter, lighter, and less distracting. Fitbit Air exists because Google noticed people getting tired of constant notifications on their wrists. That creates a fascinating opportunity for Charge 7. Imagine a tracker with the simplicity of Fitbit Air, but with the practicality of a screen, reliable GPS, week-long battery life, and refined health tracking. Not a mini smartphone, not a luxury biohacking gadget, just a focused wearable that fits naturally into everyday life again. And honestly, that might be exactly where the market is heading next. Thank you for tuning in. The Fitbit Charge 7 probably won't try to become the most advanced wearable ever made, and maybe that's the point. After Fitbit Air, the real hope is balance, smarter health tracking without smartwatch overload. So if Google finally brings Charge 7 back, what should matter most? Battery life, GPS, or simplicity? Comment below.